Today I'm going to do a quick review of the new Divide tent series from Wilderness Ridge Trail Llamas and Snow Trekker. I just got the Mountain Dent version from my good friend Beau Baty, but I've had multiple opportunities to test it out. It did not take long for me to be impressed with this tent. I own more than a dozen backcountry tents, tarps, and tipis. The perfect tent may not exist, but this one is pretty darn close. This might just be the best designed, researched, and thought out tent I've ever used. The attention to detail, design, durability, and the feature sets are incredible. I'm excited to add this tent to my llama packing list for the upcoming backcountry hunting season. The first thing you'll notice is the extremely low profile A-frame design. No effort is wasted setting up this tent. The first time I set this tent up solo, it only took me about 10 minutes. The tent comes with 14 aluminum stakes that weigh in at only 1.8 pounds, but they securely hold the tent, even in high winds. The sidewall feature is just one of the many ingenious designs of this tent. The pocket and guy line system pulls the sidewall tight and creates a vertical wall, and the end result is a weather-resistant design that adds a tremendous amount of usable room inside this tent. The guy lines are high visibility orange and are extremely heavy duty. They complement the light but incredibly strong tent staking system. The lightweight canvas design gives this tent extremely good bad weather capabilities. This is just not the case with most of my other tents and teepees. I've spent some incredibly rough weather nights in the backcountry, and I'm looking forward to reducing that factor on my future hunts. The front and back of this tent features a circular vent hole that can be open or tied shut. I love the no-clip system. Less to break and less to go wrong. The cold, damp nights that we have spent in this tent have produced zero condensation. The tent has withstood 4 inches of rain in 24 hours and is rated for 70-mile-an-hour winds. Wind is one of my biggest battles with my current teepees. None of them work well. The frame is internal and has no center pole. The entire tent packs down to 22 inches, perfect for llama or horse panniers or even vehicle base camp operations. The weight breakdown for this tent is the stakes weigh 1.8 pounds, the poles and guy ropes weigh in at 6.8 pounds, the canvas tent weighs 14.5 pounds, the floor system weighs in at 3.4 pounds, bringing our grand total for this tent to 26.5 pounds. This new Divide tent series might just be the ultimate base camp design. You can find out more about this tent and the other two design options at wildernessridgetraillamas.com.